This is a demo video for addresses and policies tags. We are using FortiGate version 8.0. This new feature aims to help users easily identify their configured address objects and various policies, enabling them to quickly identify or filter content of interest. Let's start this demo by logging into the FortiGate homepage. Go to Policy and Objects, then click Tag to create a new tag. Click Create New to open the page for creating a new tag. Name the tag HR and use HR as the abbreviation. The default black color will be used after setting these. Click the OK button. The tag is now created. We use the same method to create two additional tags, Finance and IT, and selected green and red colors respectively to differentiate them. Now let's move to the Addresses page. You can see that I prepared some address objects beforehand. Now we need to tag these address objects using the Finance IoT device as an example. We will edit this address object in the Tag section. We then select the Finance tag and click OK. This tags the address object. Next, we will use the same method to tag each related address object. Now we go to the Firewall Policy page. Here, we can tag the Firewall Policy. Let's take Policy 1 as an example. We edit this policy. In the Tag section, we'll select the HR tag and click OK. This adds a tag to Policy 1. Similarly, we use the same method to tag other related firewall policies. We can use these tags to filter firewall policies. Clicking the funnel-shaped icon next to the Tags column allows us to choose the tags for filtering. For example, selecting HR and clicking Apply will filter all firewall policies that include the HR tag. Please note that the filtering function here is based on firewall policy tags, not source address or destination address tags. We can also select multiple tags for filtering simultaneously. For example, if we choose both the IT and Finance tags and click Apply, we can filter firewall policies that include both IT and Finance. We can also activate the Not switch, which filters out all firewall policies that do not contain the selected tag.
For example, if we select the tags HR, IT, and Finance and click Apply, it will filter out all firewall policies that do not include any of the selected tags. Now let's go back to the Tags page. Here we can edit a specific tag. Let's take HR as an example. We will edit this tag, changing its color from default black to purple. This action completes the editing of a tag. Next, let's go back to the Firewall Policy page. We can see that the tag for all HR-related firewall policies have been updated promptly. Thanks for watching.